Well, welcome back to Georgia Calf RV. We've made it all the way to Panama City Beach, Florida, and we're sitting here in the line trying to get into St. Andrews State Park. The line's not too long, about 10 cars in front of me when I first pulled up here. And so we're kind of early for check-in. Check-in's 3 o'clock, and well, I'm here a little after 1, so maybe it's a place I can park and just sit and wait if my site's not already open. But we're gonna drive on in here and see what we can do before getting set up. Well, we have made it here to our campsite, and woo, it's tight. It is tight. Alright guys, I got the camper hooked up and it is scorching hot out there. You can see my shirt and my hat. I don't know how hot it is right now, but it's showing up hot. But we hooked up, got Sophie some water and her food out, and you can hear the air conditioner running. It's probably gonna run the whole time I'm here. But I'm going to try to cool off some and then see what the day holds for me. But, I don't know if y'all seen that, but that's my stick board and my Georgia campgrounds I've been to. But stay tuned for St. Andrews, and hopefully we can get through this heat. Good morning. It is a humid morning for Sunday here in Panama City, Florida, St. Andrews State Park. We're gonna do a walkthrough before it gets too hot with the sun coming up. So we'll start off here at my site, and then we'll go around and show you the east end and more the west end where I'm at. So I'm gonna turn you around and we'll start here at 154. Alright, since I'm here, I'm gonna show you this grill. That's probably the cleanest grill I have seen at a campground. They're nice grills and they keep them up. That's not often seen. You got a movable picnic table, fire ring with bricks up under it, and the bay is right there behind where my camper is. I don't get a great view of it, but So this is site 154, and I can get my truck and my camper. My camper's 25 foot altogether, and most of the sites are about the same. Got a bathhouse up here in the front of me. See, some of the sites are paved, and then like mine is gravel. Very nice looking bathhouses. You see folks have got golf carts they've rented. And right here is where you're going to enter the campground. And you're going to either take a left to the west, take a right, go to the east. And sites 1 through 92 is on the east end, and of course 93 through 158 is on the west. I'm not going to keep the camera on all the way through here, but I will show you some important parts up here that I feel you may want to know. So stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Alright, here's the part I figure some of y'all might want to know about. I guess they call glamping tents. Nice large site. 15, 16, and 17 are these tents. They have electricity, and you have a looking like a little stage. They have a live music evening. I think that sun, see if I can help it with my hand. Fire pit. Permanent cornhole. And a checker set. All this on the east. There's another bathhouse up there. Alright, gonna stop and I'll bring it back up in a little bit. Alright, what you see there is closed off temporarily is I think it's 43 through 57. Here's some 40. Here's 57 right here, right on the water. It's a little small site for a pop-up or a tent. There's a little, looks like a 16, 17 foot in 58. This is on the very tip end of east. You can see all the '60, '61, '62, and so on are on the water. And right here at 62, as you can see, it starts to get some trees that kind of block your view. And of course the ones here in the center, 63, 65, 67, and so on, you're going to get blocked by the campers. This is the main thing I wanted to show you up here, is this little wooded area that's gonna kind of block you some if you're even in the center. And you do get some view, but you don't have that vegetation that's in your way. Alright, 73, 74, 76, and 78 have good water views. There's no trees obstructing your view. And 79 in the center. You can see a big Class A's in there. And it has unobstructed view. And we're more down here toward my campsite on the west, starting with 80. And as you can see, 80, 82 on up to, I think it's, I have to make sure when I get down there. It's all good water views. Now over here on the smaller numbers, on the south side of the road, you're going to be blocked by the campers on the north side of the road. Unless you just got an open campsite. Alright, we're here at Site 92, which is going into the loop where I'm at. And 93, which is a good pull through. I mean, you're right there on the water. You still got some water views on up to 96 and 97. Again, everything on the inside, like where I'm at, you're going to be obstructed because of the other campers. And you have a lot of more distance between the back of your camper and the water when you start hitting like 100s on up. And you still got a good view, but you got some distance from the water. I'm not going all the way up to the other end. You get the gist of how the campground is. And they got several pull-throughs. Even got bags for your little doggies. But we're coming back around to mine. Which is right here. 154. Well, that's the view of the campground. I mean, you can see it is hot and humid, sweating like a dog. Well, hopefully that gave you some kind of idea how St. Andrews is. Your best bet is up on the east end for water views, especially on the north side of the park. They're right there on the water, with the exception of those few sites that I showed you that has trees and marsh in between them. So we're gonna see what else we can do while we're here in Panama City. Probably gonna go to the beach for a while, and we'll see what we're gonna do from there on. Thank you. Stay tuned. There's more to come.